Righto, so the annual Bream run is well and truly into gear. Down the pin again today, targeting those Bream on soft plastics deep. So you would have seen I did this video last year, but I just wanted to go through a couple of extra things this year. So we're just at the start of the run out here. The tide's only just turned. We were here yesterday and the fish are really on the chew once that tide kicked in. We've already landed a few. I'll just run through the technique. So I've got a 1/4 ounce on. I've got that in preparation because that tide yesterday was running really hard. So I just have kept it. I just fish it slightly different. So you can see that's on a 1/4 ounce. That's a 1.0 gape. It's the 2.5 inch Daiwa Baitjunkie minnow paddle tail in the bloodworm colour, and we just put a bit of TT's Procure on it. The flavour doesn't really matter. We just a bit of bloodworm or something like that. I think it just adds a little bit of incentive for those fish to bite the commit. Just cast up. Really is just staying. It's a little bit easier when that flow's going, so this will drop down fairly quick. We're about 17 feet of water here. This will drop down pretty quickly, and I'll just give it some little rod tip, little hops and skips. In this particular spot, you would think that those bream will be holding sort of up in there in hard. They're actually sitting a little bit further out in the sand ripples. So we do here is we just cast a little bit wider. It's a really good option if you've got side scan on your sounder. You can run along and you'll see the sand ripples, and they'll just look like little white dots in the sand. So you can just tell if they're sitting out wider or whether to find them in close. Yesterday we were around the other side of Crusoe, and we'll probably pop back down in there again shortly for just a little bit. They were holding right in quite tight, so we're fishing much tighter, whereas here you can see I'm sort of casting out. That's got to be what 20 meters or so off the shore where those ripples are, sand ripples are, and just working it down through there and just watching that line for those ticks and then little hops. If that tide was running quicker, I wouldn't even be imparting action. I'd just be staying in contact with the lure and just watching it run down. The other thing you can do, like in this situation, probably really should be fishing about a 1/12 or so, just to let it run down a bit quicker, a bit slower. But at least I know that tide is going to kick in, so I've just working that 1/4 ounce. We're catching some fish before, so they will take it. You see that's on the bottom there. Got him. Got him. That was actually a little bit of a moving bait, that one. I was winding in, he sort of grabbed it. No, it's not 30. That's a Brimbo. I don't think he will be. He's probably similar size as the other one. Nice fish.